today we have Samsung Galaxy A51, the best budget phone that money can buy. And trust me, it has got some tricks up its sleeve. So let us jump right in and see if it can really walk the talk. Let me tell you something. This phone looks way more expensive than it actually is. Seriously, I wouldn't be surprised if someone mistook this as a flagship. It has got a sleek design, a shiny back with that cool rainbow effect when light hits it. And man, that screen to body ratio is off the charts. The hand feel of this phone is also really good and comfortable. Now, let us talk the specs because I know all of you are itching to know what this little beast can do. It has got a 6.5 inches AMOLED display. It is so big as I could use this as a dinner plate as well. But seriously, the colors are vibrant and everything looks crisp and clear. Under the hood, we have got a Snapdragon processor, 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It's not going to break any speed records, but hey, it's going to make the job done. I mean, unless you're trying to play some super intense games or multitask like Madman, it should work just fine for everyday use. The A51 boasts a quad camera setup on the back. That's right, 4 whole cameras. We have got a 48 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, a 5 megapixel macro lens, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. This thing can take pretty impressive shots considering the price tag. And let's not forget the 32 megapixel front facing camera, perfect for those on point selfies. I can already see my Instagram followers going wild. Battery life? This phone has covered you with 4000 mAh battery that will be lasting for a whole day. And with 15 watts of fast charging, you will be backing up and running in no time. The Galaxy A51 has an in-display fingerprint sensor. Yeah, that's right. This budget-friendly phone is living in the future. Samsung Galaxy A51, a budget phone with some seriously impressive features. If you are someone looking for a phone that won't break your bank but still gives a great user experience, and this might be the one for you. Before we wrap up, let's see some other extra goodies that comes along with A51. Inside the box, you will find a USB Type-C cable and a 15 watt of charger. The Samsung Galaxy A51 truly offers the balance of features, performance and price. If you are in the market looking for a new phone that won't leave you eat ramen for a month, definitely give this a shot. Please do check out our website for best genuine smartphone deals. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.